this.
So,
Yes, ma'am. No, we are assuring the public that all the PDLs are subjected to the same condition, same treatment as with other PDLs. They are given their basic needs. But for now po, since bago pa po silang kinumit, they are still under mandatory quarantine for 5 to 2 weeks. And then we'll wait for the recommendation of our regional physician as to whether ano na po yung magiging next step namin. But rest assured po that the BJMP is doing its best, and we know that this facility can secure our high-profile PDL.
Nag-request mo for additional force. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. We have additional force. Also, we are closely coordinating with the Philippine National Police po for the perimeter security.
Since when, ma'am?
Since their arrival po in this facility. And even before po, we are closely coordinating naman with our friendly forces po.
Wala siya mga special request, ma'am, sa Vizcaya?
No special request po ang kasi naka-mandatory quarantine siya. It's just that along with all other PDL, they have access to their lawyers and of course to the physician of their own choice and priest po. So for now, yung lawyers po, yung may direct na contact, we allow them to contact their clients inside. Also, katulad ng mga ibang PDL.
But ma'am, si Rimando, she came in last. At the same ba ang iyang isolation with the rest who came in first?
Yes po, ma'am. As per policy, lahat po ng newly committals will be situated in a reception cell. So sila pong apat magkasama sa isang reception cell po for mandatory quarantine and completion of booking procedures.
So, how many weeks lang po siya, ma'am?
5 days minimum to 2 weeks po.
So far, ma'am, wala visit po yung buong nilalatan mo.
Wala naman po. They only have their pre-existing illnesses. Sa result ng mga medical nila, ma'am, wala pa namang ngayon. Same lang naman po kung ano yung pagkakumit sa kanila. Same physical condition.
But once they finish their isolation, ma'am, will they be put together in one cell or separate cells?
As per policy, ma'am, after their mandatory quarantine, we'll wait for the recommendation again of our regional physician. But definitely, if wala naman pong magiging issues na erase, then definitely they'll be mixed with the general population.